In this video, let me show you how to fix the video is still processing error inside of Google Drive. Now, why this normally happens is if the video is long or is in 4K and if it has a large file size. So normally when this happens, what you can do is instead of watching the video right inside of Google Drive, you can download it and try to watch it on your device. So you can just click on it and then click on the download option. And this is a lot faster way of watching this video. But however, if you still want to watch it inside of Google Drive, and if you know that this file is not very large, then what you can do is try to clear out the browser cache. Sometimes caches might also be causing this sort of issue. So what you can do is head over to the three dotted line, click on delete browsing data. Make sure that the last 7 days is selected. Make sure that the cookies and other site data and cache images and files are selected. And then you can now click on the delete data option. Now, lastly, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can lastly try out is try to make a copy of this particular video that you're trying to watch. So what you can do is click on the three dotted line, click on make a copy. And once the copy has been made, you can try opening up this video file. Sometimes using this method as well, you should be able to fix this error message. I do hope this kind of video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.